Hello everybody and welcome back to ESL and Eyeshadow with me Beth and my guest host tonight Chewy, who is being incredibly clingy and for some reason has wanted to sit on my lap for most of the day. Hey? Are you going to teach everyone about the future perfect? Are you? No kisses, no kisses. Come on, sit down. Good girl. Okay. So today we're going to be continuing our tense series and we're going to be looking at the future perfect, simple and continuous. As always, whenever we're talking about the perfect tenses, students tend to get a little bit nervous because the perfect can be scary. But don't worry, because the future perfect, simple and continuous, once you know how to use them, are actually very easy. They're easier than the present. The reason being is there's less uses for them. So first of all, let's start. Do you mind? First of all, let's start with how we form the future perfect simple. We form it with either will or won't plus have and the past participle. And by the past participle, I mean the third form of the verb. So for example, I will have finished my apologies, I will have finished my homework by the time my mother gets home from work. We use the perfect simple in the future to describe an action that will be complete by a certain point in the future. So, like in my example, I will have finished, future perfect simple, my homework by the time my mum gets home from work. So we're expressing a point in the future that we know about, my mother getting home from work, and what will have been done by the point she arrives home. So we simply use will or won't have plus the past participle and a future time clause to say when in the future that action will be completed by. Will you stop? She keeps licking my legs. It's really irritating. Okay, so that's really all there is to the future perfect simple. Point in the future that you know an action will be completed by, will or won't, have plus the past participle and the time expression. That's it. Easy, right? Now we have the future perfect continuous. This sounds a little bit more scary, but it's really not. There is literally only one use for the future perfect continuous in the English language, and that is for actions that will be in progress at some point in the future that you know. So for example, by 7 o'clock tonight, I will have been recording this video for 2 hours. That's a lie. It's about 10 minutes, but hey. So I'm expressing a future point in time by 7 o'clock this evening, and then I'm talking about the duration of my action between a point in the present to that point in the future. So for example, say it's 5 o'clock now, and I will finish at 7 o'clock, 2 hours later. To describe how long I will have been doing my action, we're going to use the future perfect continuous. So, by 7 o'clock, I will have been recording this video for 2 hours. So we use will or won't if we're in the negative, have, been, and then the verb in the continuous form, plus a time phrase to show duration. So, the difference between the two, as always with the perfect tenses, if we use the simple, we're focusing on the action itself. If we're using the continuous, we're focusing on the duration of the action. How long something will have been happening for, then you need the continuous. If we're talking about a specific action completed in the future, then you need the simple. And that's it. Simple, right? I hope this has been of help to you. If there are any grammar points at all you would like me to cover for you, then please do leave a comment in the comments below, and I will be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. That can be vocabulary, grammar, or exam strategy tips. And don't forget to tune in next Tuesday for more ESL tips and tricks in my tense series. So take care and bye-bye.